Hello.
Worldwide. Good evening time on this wonderful Friday, 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
1206 going on, pizza and beans. Say pizza and beans. It's 420. I'm reading the mail.
Hello, 420. Hello, 420. Sounding real good to see you, man. We saw we kids duck plucker up and say hello and welcome to the weekend from 018 Tennessee, Beavis down there, Donkey Stomper rolling the video gate.
Hey, that's my Donkey Stomper. Roger, boy, you came in on the channel. Hey, 018, you came in there, fired down, and just kicked on everybody, and just moved everybody out of the way like you were on the channel. Hey, 018 Beavis, 420, talking to his radio right back.
Roger, 420, we just keep this duck plucker up and say hello, man. We got the big boy on. We're working this old pile of HGs down here in Tennessee. Working this old pile of HGs down here at Donkey Stomper building, Tennessee. 018 Boost with the wave.
The real 45. The real 45. Get out of your kid.
Worldwide. Donkey Stomper getting on down. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the weekend on TGIF Friday.
Donkey Stomper. Hello, Beavis, Donkey Stomper. No contact on all the gate is getting on.
I heard somebody say hello, Beavis, and I heard Donkey Stomper. I didn't catch your numbers, but I did hear you say hello. Good evening time. Welcome to the weekend on this wonderful Friday night, TGIF Friday night video gate. 018 Tennessee Beavis sitting here rolling the gate, listening to the bee's nest we're standing by.
On the Trump train. I'm on the train starting up around Georgia. Pass it on. I heard somebody down there in Mr. Mongoose. Good evening, sir. 1207 in the Keystone. Mr. Mongoose. Good evening, sir.
I heard you that time. Hey, 1207. Hey, 1207 in the Keystone. 1207 in the Keystone. You're 018 Tennessee Beavis with the weekend wave.
Bye. Not at all, 018. Up here in the car. 07 and Philly with that wave. Hey, 018 Beavis, Mr. Donkey Stomper. Welcome to the weekend. Your friend in Philadelphia with that wave. Have a good weekend, sir. All right, so you got the bug man coming over.
All right, 1207 sounded real good in my neighborhood, and I got it all when you said it all on the video gate. Mr. 1207, your friend in 10, 018 Beavis, down here at Donkey Stomper with the weekend wave.
I'll see you. Bye-bye. Gotta get my neighbor, Mr. 667. Donkey Stomper, I'm gonna send you my neighbor, 667. See if he can make that video game. Yeah. Tunnel spraying some bugs.
I heard you say something about your neighbor trying to get him on the video gate, 1207, but it's rough out there, man. I heard you say something about trying to get your neighbor 667 on the video gate, but it's rough out there, but we're going to listen in and try. On 420, he's got my ears pretty good. He's a bucket mouth. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here in Donkey Stomper. We're listening for 667.
How about 018? 667, Pennsylvania. Audio kid got a video.
Hello, 667 Pennsylvania. Hello, 667 Pennsylvania. I got you on my video gate in this bee's nest. Hey, 667 Pennsylvania, you made it down here in Tennessee. 018 Beavis at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
I hear you. It's 667 around Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I heard you beat. Yeah, this is Triple A. Don't have no condition.
Alrighty, 667, I appreciate you hollering, man. It is rough and tough in there, though. Good evening time. Welcome to the weekend on this wonderful Friday. I'm going to sit back here and read the mail and see what's up. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Talk so fast. It's nobody gonna keep on you. How come you talk that fast? Some key on your Triple A.
Hey, Mr. Nobody, Triple A. Let me see if I can slow down a little bit. I guess I get excited, man. Hey, Mr. Nobody, I guess I get excited, and key this duck plucker up and get to talking too fast there. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave, Mr. Nobody.
For all your phone, 018.
Roger, Mr. Nobody, heard it all. Good evening time, welcome to the weekend. And 1207, I heard you too. Hey, 1207, welcome to the weekend. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Slow it up, 018. Yeah, just again. On the heels of got down.
Roger, Mr. Nobody. I guess we get excited there and we just try to get everybody in there and get everybody's name back to them at once, you know, and get excited. But you're sounding good, Mr. Nobody. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
080, we gotta go to that 08, just shine them over there. Even with a little weight on his back.
Hey, you have a good one, 667. I heard 420 say something about putting some weight on somebody's back. 420 coming there and says he's going to put some weight on somebody's back. I think you might have been talking about Mr. Nobody. I'm not sure. Go ahead, 420.
420, where's 420 at? Where's 420 go? Where he at? Keep them buckhookers up out of your radio as long as you got that gate. 420, where's 420 at? Getting down.
Rod Knockers, 420. 420's in New Jersey, man. Hey, 420's in New Jersey for that guy won't know where he's at there, Breaker.
Who on that? I'm just in a little state of Delaware. I just wondering where 420. We got a wild child in these Great Lakes working this deal. 420 going on. There you go. Good evening from Wild Child in the Great Lakes.
Hello, Wild Child in the Great Lakes. I don't know if you hear me or not, but hello, Wild Child in the Great Lakes. Got you on my Friday night video gate. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
All right, man. We're waving right out back. I was talking to your radio because I got the 20 dBs, man. Sounding good like it should. Put it on you later. Happy weekend, Wild Child, Great Lakes.
All right, Wild Child, man. You have a good weekend. You and yours stay healthy. Keep them hands clean. Stay corona free. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper on the video gate for Friday evening.
In Beavis in Tennessee, 357 in Georgia. You got my radio, 420 back out. Wild Child.
Uh-oh. Pistol go bang. Hello, Pistol Grip. Hello, Pistol Grip. 018 Tennessee Beavis waving at you, buddy.
I appreciate you, big brother. I appreciate you.
Hey, Pistol. Hey, Pistol. Hey, Pistol. Pistol Grip. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Yeah, just what I thought was going to happen. I heard you say, hey, 420, hey, 420, and then as soon as you got ready to say who you were, Beavis got the big one in the house. He said, we got the big one in the house. He said, he said, the big guns are in the house. Your pistol, 127, you all got down.
Pistol said we got the big guns in the house. Pistol must be the big gun out there. Pistol Grip must be the big gun out there, because I know I ain't. You know, he's working this poor old pile of HGs down here, the poor man's box. But Pistol Grip, you're sounding real good in Tennessee, man. I got you on my Friday night video gate. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
That poor man box sound good. No 357 said the big guns are in the house. Oh, 357. He said the big guns are in the house. Your pistol got down. 747.
If that's 357 Tennessee, somebody tell him 018's waving a weekend wave. I can't hear him, but 357's a good operator. 018 Tennessee Beavis waving at 357 for the weekend.
357 goes along. Just wanted to let you know I really appreciate that clean audio in my radio. 357 72. Great weekend wave, and I'm sitting back. You said the big guns are in there, so your pistol got down. 420 New Jersey. wait, 420, right back.
Dog waving the hand.
How about you say here? How about you 7 degrees?
About 018. How about 018? 747 Texas. 747 Austin, Texas. We're waiting. Hey, 747, I hear you hollering down there in Texas, but something is definitely wrong. 747, check your radio out, buddy. 747, I ain't pointed at you, but I heard you holler down there in Texas, man. Check your radio out. It's muffled and distorted. 747, I got a good copy on you. 018 Tennessee Beach, your friend 10 with the weekend wave.
Moving at you, 73. 73. All about the bass. All about the bass. The bass, the bass. All about the bass. Is it Georgia Cruiser? Cruiser, you said, or Critter? Good evening time, man.
Pistol said it's all about the bass, the bass, the bass. I got the dogs in the background of wrestling. Pistol said it's all about the bass, the bass. Be quiet back there. Old Spade and Domino back there, they're trying to talk to you. Old Spade and Domino back here in the background trying to talk to you guys for this Friday night video gate. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Hey, man, 15 over 20. Hey, Beavis, 1207. Oh, Beavis. Hey, Beavis, let's keep it. Bunch of Beavis, 420. Hey, Beavis.
Hello, 1207, 1207. I heard you. Well, I heard you. I heard 420. I heard Pistol in there. That's I think Spade and Dom. My dogs back here want some airtime, man. My puppy dogs back here trying to take over my water gate. They're wanting some airtime there. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the weekend wave.
Hey, that's okay, 018. Hey, 018, 747. I said I get it. 747. Oh, badass. Hey, better.
Hey, 747, I don't know what you done, man. You're on my back of my beam, 747. I don't know what you did, but you did it right. 747, you got your radio fixed. I'm letting you know, man. You're on the back of my beam, and it's rough and tough up north, but I did hear you in there, buddy. 747, 018 Beavis, a weekend wave to my friend 747 in Texas.
Everybody's saying, hey, Roger, Roger. Hey, Beavis, hey, 747. For a second. Who's on the Hey, just crank it up. 20. You or me, but you keyed up before you could answer. Hey. Hello, you're around, DX.
Hang on a minute, 747. I'm pulling the house around your way.
And by you country.
747, you still out there, man? I'm coming to the west side. 018 Beavis waving at you, 747.
Hey, Roger, Roger there, Beavis. No strain, no gain, hey, my friend. 747, Texas. We waving to you there, Beavis. Yeah, we're back on the Cobra 29. We were on that Galaxy 2517. That thing's got some problems, man. Wow.
Yeah, it didn't sound too healthy, man. It really didn't, but it sounded real good now. What you're talking on sounded real good, 747. I got the beam your way. I thought I'd give you a little airtime on the video gate so everybody could really hear what you really sound like instead of on the back of my beam there, Breaker.
Roger, Roger. We'll get you, man. Yeah, I just, I never get rid of my Cobra 29 here. Oh, 29. You should be doing that little talking there anyway. But good deal. You're running that gate over there. Hey, Beavis, 747 Texas with that big old wave, man. You're sounding choice down here in the Long Star.
9747. Hey, man, appreciate you hollering. Appreciate everything you do. You have a good one. You know who it is, your friend in 10. 018 Beavis gonna roll the gate and listen in some more.
Roger, Roger there, 018. Hey, one donkey stomper to the other, man. I tell you what, this thing is still kicking butt, kicking ass. Hey, what can I say, man? Conditions, location. 018, Mr. Beavis, 747, Texas, with that big old wave. Hey, be careful out there. Beavis.
Bye, 747. Bye, 747. 018, listen in, rolling the gate.
Trying to get on your water gate. 8018 slow motion trying to get on your water gate.
Hey, come on back here, babies. Let me show you what you sound like on my end, man. Hey, 018, come on back and let me show you what you sound like on my end.
Hello, 747. Appreciate it. I guess you're running a little gate to me, man. I don't know how this thing sounds. Maybe it's getting down to Texas. I don't know. But I also heard another one of my friends in there. I heard a 74. I heard a shit. Slow motion, slow motion. You're sounding good, slow motion. 018 Beavers acknowledging you and saying welcome to the weekend too, bud. Heard that play back when you played it, 747. Appreciate it, man.
Hello, 018,
No problem, man. I tell you what, you're on top of it all. Like always. On top of it all, man. That donkey stomper's just kicking ass and taking names is what it's doing. All right, there, Beavis, 747, Texas. We're back quiet.
But Captain Lou had my ears there for a minute. I thought that was the low feedback all this morning. It sounded good. We'll find him up here in the legs, 018, 019, big horn. Let's get on down.
I think he said 00 on the big horn, maybe 00 on the big horn. I heard you, man. It's just rough and tough. But anyway, you have a good one down there in Big Horn, 018 Beavis, a weekend wave.
Hey, 018, we said 1101. Hey, 018, 1101, and the big horn getting on down.
Roger, I appreciate it, man. You have a good one, 018 Tennessee Beavis, standing by, reading the mail.
Okay, I just wanted to say, man, you sounded real good. Welcome to the weekend. Hope you have a big old blessed one. It's 018, yeah, I'll wait until I can get in where I fit in.
Station 330.
And then I didn't hear you. I heard to him. Heard old Tennessee Beavis come in there too, and I'm going to wave 5 to Audio Kid too. Heard all y'all. Old Phantom tending to the grill. I'll see you.
Hey there, Phantom. I'm Motion trying with that pork roast, old black sheep way.
Phantom 309, have a good one, man. Welcome to the weekend, 018 Beavis, waving right back.
10 on that, and that's a big old dirty bird rider. All right, man. We'll catch you, man. We'll catch you when this settles down just a little bit, and we'll get back to grilling and chilling. Hey, dirty bird, we'll see you. Old Phantom got down. I'll see you.
Hey, Phantom 309, don't eat too much, man. You have a good weekend. Have a good supper there, 018 Beavis, weekend wave. Catch you later.
10 on that. All right, dirty bird, we'll see you. Click, click.
Well, I tell you what, it's getting rough and tough out there, man.
Evening time, Mr. Beavis.
Hey, 018.
Hello, six-pack.
We got that Alabama banjo or whatever that crap is just pegging my needle over here.
Hey, 747.
Would it like knock that banjo out of your receiver, 747? Breaker!
Couple pork loins.
Yeah, man, I was 9 plus. 9 plus on my meter there on that banjo.
What's going on, kid?
Station 318, Fort Worth, Texas, in the wild, wild. Hey, you look in the mail.
They're talking about some pork loins. You got to wrap up.
I'll tell you what, 747, 318, I heard you. Y'all have a good evening. I'm going to stop this video gate and go in cool down mode. I've been on here 20 minutes solid. I'm going to stop this video gate and kick over here in cool down mode. Let these old HGs cool down a little bit and load this video gate. Y'all have a good one. Welcome to the weekend. Have a good Friday night and a good weekend coming up. 018 Tennessee Beavis, and I'll catch you in a little bit. Bye-bye.
And then, all right, you take care of me. You take care of me. Keep doing your best out there. And as always, down here around the wrong, so we'll see you break out.
Hey, I'm out there 35 with 983 down here in the big horn. Get waiting and break.
Slow motion. Slow motion. Oh, slow motion.
Hotel on that, Dirty Bird. We'll see you. Click, click.
Hello, Dirty Bird. Dirty Bird, 813 in Tampa with a weather.
hear that Mobile and the swamps? Mobile and the swamps, I heard slow motion up in there. I don't know if my beam's pointed the right way, but I heard Mobile and the swamp, and I heard slow motion in there, 672 Smoky Hills. Just trying to get out, break.
Hey, 672, you're getting out, brother. Hey, 672, 6
So free in slow motion. Oh, it's more to come.
I heard somebody saying I was getting out. I didn't get your numbers. Almost got it, man. There's stirred up a hornet's nest. But appreciate you letting me know I'm making it out. I'm going to try to sneak back in there and get those numbers. 672, waving the hand. Good evening time.
357, do me a favor. Tell my friend Trintron, man, I said good evening time, Jazz.
Yeah, I heard 747. I heard Phantom 309. Good evening time there, 747. I heard you come up in there. And Phantom 309, there's slow motion. Man, a bunch of them in there. But good evening time, everybody. Appreciate you letting me know I'm making it out. 672 Smoky Hills, waving the hand.
Hey, 357, hey, 357, what you got, pistol? Hey, 357, no. Hey, 357, you're worldwide, pistol. CB around here. I don't want to talk to nobody on this channel, break.
Well, that's slow motion. That's all you that time, my friend. Hey, slow motion. That's all you. Hey, slow motion. That's all you but that time, my friend. 672 Smoky Hills, waving the hand. Good evening. Sounding good as always. Always a pleasure. Slow motion. Welcome to the weekend. 672 Smoky Hills back out.
Out here walking my blue dog. 667 out here. Bye.
All right, slow motion. Appreciate all the flowers. Appreciate the kind words, my friend.
357.
Hey, slow motion. Appreciate the kind words. Appreciate the flowers, my friend. Welcome to the weekend right back. God bless you and yours from me and mine here in the Smoky Hills of Tennessee. Hey, slow motion, doing your thing as always. Do it again. 672 East Tennessee Hills back out.
Going at 357. Boss Hog in Virginia got down. There's a wall out here with no conditions.
12-812, East corner, Pennsylvania.
I heard Hitman come up in there. Stole show.
357.
Hitman, I heard you come up in there. Stole the show. Little slow motion go back before you come in there. Coming out of that bayou, Hitman. Doing your thing up here in my receipt right about now. 682 East Tennessee.
Tennessee 357, 327,
Slow motion.
I heard both of you that time, y'all back and forth. But Hitman, appreciate to get back, my friend. Hey, Hitman, appreciate to get back, my friend. Let me know I'm making it down in the bayou. Mr. Hitman, stay cool down there. Hey, slow motion, heard you. He's up in there as well. Good evening time. God bless. 672 Smoky Hills back out of the way.
Hey, 672 old black sheep, man. You got that video in, Runner? Man out here working his little bitty baby ring. Hey, waving that hand, I'm getting on down. Down to 672 up in them Smoky Hills, old black sheep waving.
Appreciate it there, Hitman. Hey, black sheep, I heard you come up in there. And I think you said Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge, spent a lot of time around there. Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge, got family there in Springfield, just south of Hammond. Black sheep, Baton Rouge, you still got a grip on it. Good evening, time sounded good in Tennessee. 672, trying to get you back.
Hey, 672. Doing the job out there, sounding good down here in the swamps. Old black sheep waving to you, good. Hey, Bobby Boucher, Mobile, Bayou Country.
All right, black sheep. I hung in there just for a second. I heard Bobby Boucher and Mobile coming up in there. You got to keep the black sheep down there in Baton Rouge. Sheep. Sounding real good in my receiver right about now. Welcome to the weekend, my friend. God bless you and yours. Down there in the bayou. Black Sheep 672 Smoky Hills, waving hand.
And that's a big deal for us, 672. You have a good evening. Welcome to your weekend. Enjoy. Old Black Sheep and clear. You have a great weekend.
Captain Lou, 420. Hey, Captain Lou, weekend wave. Captain Lou, weekend wave. 420 New Jersey, back.
All right, Black Sheep. Slow motion coming up in there and easing up in there, waving that 5. The Black Sheep, I'm still in your receive. Slow motion will mirror. Pass it 5. Black Sheep, slow motion. 672 Smoky Hills. We're going to listen for a bit. We'll see you. Bye-bye.
Dirty Bird, old Bling, run on you cruising, Captain. Hello, Dirty Bird, old Bling, run on Capitol Hill, getting on down. Still cornbread. Still cornbread. Oh, still cornbread.
All right, Black Sheep. Appreciate you making it your talk show right about now. Yeah, you cleaned it up that time, Black Sheep. Yeah, Black Sheep, appreciate you letting all the kind words. Appreciate the flowers, my friend. You're doing your thing here in my receive. Mr. Black Sheep 672, Smoky Hills with the evening time wave, and God bless you and yours from me and mine here in the East Tennessee Hills. I'm back out of the way now. Let's see.
GN20, glass is class. That's where I just got down. Bring up.
Check. Still. Audience, circle back.
Hey, Pistol Grip, I've been rolling the gate the whole time, Pistol Grip. I was going to say, talk to you a little bit, Pistol Grip, and we'll end this video gate, catch you later. Trintron 9, I want to hear you if I heard you in there. T9, did I hear Trintron 9, 018 Beavis looking?
Hey, Dirty Bird. Bling, runner. I'm down on Washington, D.C.
Sorry, Big O, didn't know you still running the gate.
I run the gate of you the whole time. You was in there talking, I don't care. I run the gate the whole time you was talking.
10-4. All right, with slow motion, I did hear you come back in there. Putting a little weight on his back. Then Beavis, a neighbor, keyed out and took off my receiver boy. Slow motion. I did hear you come up in there and put some weight on his back, and you done your thing, man. I'm gonna get out of the way now. 672, waving a hand, letting you know. Back out.
That's what you talk about.
No, Captain Lou, he's in Florida, but he's from
Alrighty, I'm going to end this gate. Trintron 9, Pistol Grip, everybody up to the northeast, 420. I'm going to try to list as many names as I can on this gate. I won't be able to get them all in there. But y'all have a good one up there to the northeast, all my friends up there to the northeast. Welcome to the weekend Friday Night Wave, 018 Tennessee Beavis, and I'm stopping the gate. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey Beavis, 420. Hey Beavis, weekend wave, 420, 10-7 and gone. Bye.
Bye, bye, my friend T9. Hey, T9, cornbread in his hand. Bye, T9. Catch you next round, next wave. Catch you on next wave, T9. I'm on in this gate. We'll see you, buddy.
Next wave. Kiss you 676. I've got it all.
Number 3. I think it's all.
420, 10-7.
Yeah. To give you a radio one more time. Copy on. Which means I'm going to try to